Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're making. Yeah, you probably read it. Why do I even have to tell you? We're making a roleplay game, like Kingdom Life, or SCP roleplays. You know, a roleplay game. The big word, role play. Yeah, roleplay. So I just want to make sure you understood. So let's get started off with the map easily. So start this off easily. How many times did I say easily? I'm just gonna scale the map out. About there, and a little longer there. About that much. Okay, so go ahead and open up your terrain editor, right? We're gonna go ahead to region. We're going to edit, and we're gonna do replace. No. Fill? Maybe? No. I don't remember where it's at. I don't know. Where's my brain? My brain doesn't work. Convert. That's right. Alright. So we're going to do grass or dirt or leafy grass. One of the two. This one. Alright, we're going to click convert on our base plate until they convert to grass. Or, if you're a smart guy, you have the part to terrain plugin, which will also work. Just go grass and then click it. And boom. You get a big grass field. I'm using the part to terrain because part to terrain is better. Link should be in the description if I find it. Excuse me. So, we got this, and this is pretty boring. Let's get the terrain paint out. We go to edit, paint, and ground. Because ground is like mud. Okay. Or like a road. We're just gonna draw out. Actually, okay, so what you want to do to draw your town, go to model, or no, view, add view selector, and click on the top right here. So you see it'll be like this. Click the top, click the top button. And it'll make you a straight down view where you can do this. Oh, and you can press the, instead of doing this, you can literally press the middle mouse button, the scroll wheel button, to scroll around and see how your map looks like this. You can drag around your camera, you can zoom out, zoom in, so you don't actually have to leave this view. And it's like you're making like a 2D type space. You know? And as you can see, all this, you see this weird square right here? That's the chunks loading in. The rest of this is just a non-collidable texture. Put here just to make it, it's actually just like that, because if you put an actual object in, then this drawing all this objects and making it collidable, which is completely crash the game. That doesn't matter. That's just the core elements of this. So it works. So I'm just gonna, make a road for a city. So every city, like this is like a game like Kingdom Life instead of like SCP or nothing. Because who likes SCP? Honestly, well, actually, a lot of people do. I shouldn't say that. As you see, this is like you're editing like some sort of 2D game, which, I mean, it's not that bad. It actually, you can make a pretty cool 2D game off this. Wait a minute, I'm getting off topic. Stop it, Jaden. So, I'm gonna go ahead and make it where you can, like, turn to this. If you're wondering, yeah, I don't make maps, so I don't know. I'm also gonna rotate like this if you talk again. Oh. I guess I can't rotate the camera. That's fine. No deal. Yeah, keep going. I'm gonna turn a bit, Make it unique to your game. Zoom out a little further. Essentially, to go in big squares. Or circles. Like that. Although I'm sure nowadays, no one actually cares about making a really good map. So you see that is loading in, it's just not there. So is that shortcut. Oh, now I have to make it up here. But yeah, we're just gonna paint our map. Now there's a thing. When making a really good map, it could take you months, it could take you a week, it could take you a day. This one's probably gonna take me, I'm gonna spread this out for a while, so this is a good while. I'll post this tonight, which is in the middle of the day, and I'll post another one tomorrow if I ever get to it. I probably will. But yeah, as you can see, we got this. And all of it's loaded in. Alright, so we can actually turn off that view selector and go back to normal view. And let's go ahead and down here and start working. As you see, if you zoom in, these things are actually perfectly right. They're fine, it's just zooming out. Makes it not so detailed because it needs to save your performance. Alright, now that we have the map, be patient. I know you all want to leave already, but we're not finished yet. Obviously, you're gonna have the city bounds, or turn this down to like 3. And this would be the places where people like walk. Sort of like the sidewalk, I guess, but not really. But like this would be the place people walk, you know, or something like that. You know, you just get creative. I'm not gonna get too creative. But now you just close up this because we don't need it anymore. And this is a little flat actually, so let's make it a little bigger. So go ahead and click row. I'm gonna do big ovals like Jailbreak has. Just grab this. Unlock this so you can make it smaller. And yeah, you just gotta. I'm actually gonna use the add tool. Sorry. This one. Let's go up. Unlock it. Let's get it set down. And this is just so you can make some good looking terrain. Alright, and then you just make it taller. There. Make it lower. There. You know, get creative. You can always do that. And since it's at an angle, since it's at an angle, you can do weird angle type things, which can really make your map just look nice. But yeah, I'm just gonna stick with that. That looks good. Let's just add a couple on the map. Get creative. This one's just you want it. I'm just gonna do that. Now I'm gonna call it good. Alright, good enough. Now we can start working on the map. I like the castle here. This will be a kingdom-like type game. And yeah, so we go in here into the free models. Yeah, I know everyone's like free models are bad, but not all free models are bad. I'm gonna search up kingdom in here. You know, you can use free models. Just make sure they don't have viruses. You just want to find the roblox free models. So actually, it'd be like, if we go here, let's go to roblox. Create. Okay, so if we pretend we're creating a game, what's it called? Because I forgot. Alright, so we're gonna be doing castle. Cast. So let's say it's spelled, okay. Cast. Okay, castle. Should get, yep, here we go. Castle building kit. So we can build our castle using this. That would probably take a really long time. I'm lazy. I'm just gonna just take a castle. So yeah, just grab yourself a castle you want. You could use the castle building kit, build your own. I'm just gonna take one. This one looks like a little nice castle like that. So I'll use this one. Put it right up there, and get this little front, this one walk. Okay. Cool. Now this thing's obviously probably not going to shut, so I'm going to actually delete this whole model here. Actually, does it shut? Let's see the scripts. Alright, they do shut. Nice. So I don't actually have to worry about that. This thing shuts. Everything looks like it's colored in here. Good model. Thumbs up. Look at the description for this model. I'm joking. Sorry. I just have to find it. Oops. I just want to be able to post this and I don't want to lose it. Okay. Just view in browser. Link in the description for this if you want to get it. Okay, so now we can go close this out. We got the little inside of the castle. And yeah, that looks pretty good on its own, but let's just push it into the ground a bit because it's sticking up. Castles, last time I checked, don't stick up like that. Alright, and like there's no point having a gate here. There's no water in front of it, so let's add some water. Terrain editor, paint, water. Paint it. And you see we're just painting water. Probably a little bit easier doing this up and down thing, but it's fine. Paint it. Alright. Boom. We got the water. Later we'll add code to make you drown in that, like you fall through it. Oh. Oh, that's a little scary right there. fall out in the endless bit. We'll fix that later. For now, it's good. Just close up the terrain editor. I'm getting tired. I need to get to bed soon, so let's hurry. I'm gonna go ahead and get the paint. Actually, I need to get back out the paint, and I'm gonna paint pavement going down this way. Okay, there we go. So, sea level, don't mess with that. I don't want to twist that. So, boom, we have this. It looks pretty nice in here. Now let's add some buildings. So, we're going to go ahead and go back here, create game. We have a new event. Weird enough, but whatever. Village. We're going to get some stuff from the villages. So, village. That's where Minecraft stuff pops up. Okay, good. No Minecraft stuff. I don't want to see any Minecraft. Excuse me. Yeah, let's add a skybox. Just why not? Oh god, that's not a skybox. That's gonna crash my game. Never mind that. But see, sometimes free models aren't nice. They can do that and trick you into it, but that's fine. They want to be buttholes, they can be buttholes. Not sure it's intended to be like that, but it sure did seem like it, didn't it? Okay, so we're gonna have this, and then we can have, like... Of course, all this probably has viruses in it. But honestly, you should be making it yourself. Do not be grabbing free models. I am, just because I need to get the map done quickly. But yeah, this all looks pretty good. I'll just use these. Usually when I make my own games, I usually don't use that many free models. I do use free models. I make them, actually I do use free models a lot, but not as much as you'd think. Most people literally make their games off of free models. I use like 1 or 2 per game. I don't use many. Free models are fine to use though. It's like, you could make a game completely off free models. I don't recommend it, but you could. It's completely fine. Actually, I think this was used in the real Kingdom Life, because this looks just like it when I play it. So, oh my god, how did I not realize that? That's Minecraft. Okay, so, of course, this is medieval times, which, they had horses. So we're gonna type in horse. We'll make these have, let's use these full functional. See, when I say I use 1 or 2, this is what I meant, like, I've used these before. They were in a game I made called Western Cowboys, which is a really cool game. Play it today. Well, actually, don't play it today. It's glitched out. It's probably shut down. But yeah, these are really good horses. They work pretty well, and they don't have viruses. I don't yet. We'll put them in a horse pen. Did nothing wrong. Put them in a horse pen. Alright, they're in a horse pen. Alright, so next, we can actually add this horse pulling this out front here. Insert. Okay, so we'll just add this here. Imaged stuff. So yeah. I think this is good enough though. Someone walks out here, they just fall in the water. Dead. Alright, so that's the map making part. Of course, not doing anything too deep first. Next time I show you this, I'll probably have the map finished, but let's just publish your game right now. Let's make sure we can test it without viruses. So let's publish to Roblox. Okay. Dumb game. Okay, and then you just want to put in the description. This is how you should lay out your description. You should put your description about what the game's about. Okay, so you should do like role play as a king or a not king. Okay. Then you do a bunch of dashes like this, or a bunch of minus signs to divide it, and then you can do like updates. Then we're gonna do this dot thing, which is hold shift while pressing 8. And we're gonna do like map is here, sure. And then you could just go ahead and yeah. I'll put this in the group so y'all can see it. Adventure, we're gonna go ahead and switch this to Western medieval. Okay. I don't want this on phone tablet or something, you know, that's what that means. And it's just basic info. We can create now, and it's a creator game. Alrighty, and that's it for this video, though. Actually, you'll probably be seeing this tomorrow. Well, for me tomorrow. For you, you'll probably be seeing this in the morning or something. Because I'm too tired to edit this right now and publish it. I'm just exhausted. I got hit today, but you'll probably see 2 videos tomorrow, or the day you're watching this. The day you're watching this, you'll probably have 2 videos. This and then part 2. And if this crashes, you won't be seeing any videos because I'll be mad. But yeah, I'm gonna hit play and go to sleep. So you should do the same, unless it's daytime. Then don't. Bye.